forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Hello my loves, today's video is the unboxing, guys, of the Karate Kid Miyagi-Do kit. I am obsessed with this movie, guys. This movie is like really near and dear to my heart. Like, you don't even understand. Like, I love the Karate Kid. The original with Ralph, I like the 3 with him in it, but that's the only 3 that I like. And I mean, when I saw this online, I didn't even know that this existed. I mean, late night things, guys. I just stay up and look at merch online. I don't know. It's a problem. But when I came across this, guys, I was like, I didn't know that this existed. I need this in my life. And when I saw this, I had to snag it. And it was $30. But I'm a really big fan. And it comes with his bandana, the chopsticks, the note that Mr. Miyagi wrote to Daniel-san, the diploma for Miyagi-Do, a karate school pin, the 1984 All Valley Karate Championship registration form. Wow, that was a mouthful. And I was like, this came today in my heart. I mean, I was just so excited. And guys, I can't wait to open this. I mean, it literally came today and I was like, I need to unbox this ASAP because I can't wait. Like, this is something that I can't just leave in the corner of my room and like unbox a week later. Like, this has to be open today. So before I get started, look at this shirt from Five Below. It was only $5. It is so cute. And I had to wear my music note earrings from Hot Topic with this because, I mean, it was appropriate. But enough of my chit chat. I mean, I just want to dig in and open this box because good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Alright, guys, so it is in front of me. Now, I was originally going to film this, like, I was just going to have the camera on it and just be like behind the camera, but I was like, no, I love this movie too much and I want you guys to see my face when I open this. And I didn't even get scissors, so I got it. I got it. Oh my god. El Russo. I just love this movie so much. Like, you don't understand. Like, I mean, I watch this movie so much. My siblings will literally... Oh man, I missed the trash can. That's okay. My siblings will literally be like, Sam, again? And I'm just like, leave me alone. This movie's amazing. I just love it. I mean, the 80s feel. I mean, everything is just... I just love this movie. I'm a nerd for this movie, guys. I mean, I have so many fandoms that I'm in, but I mean, oh, look at this box. Wow. I don't wanna like, I don't wanna like mispronounce anything, but it says Miyagi-Do Karate School Kit. Miyagi-Do Karate School was opened by Kazuki Miyagi in 1984. At our school, you will learn a deep philosophical knowledge of life and extraordinary martial arts skills. We will teach you techniques such as the kata, tensho, and the kata. See, this is why I said I don't know. I don't know how to say that. I will just put something over this so you can read it for yourself. And the new Mr. Miyagi Karate School has innovative methods like no other karate school. Mr. Miyagi, Miyagi-Do Karate School Master, we make sacred pact. I promise teach karate to you. You promise learn. I say you do, no questions. And Daniel LaRusso says, Mr. Miyagi taught me the true meaning of karate with his wisdom and his incredible methods. I could never have made it without him. I'm about to cry. What the heck is wrong with me? Like, I really have problems. I'm like so attached to this movie. It makes me emotional sometimes. I don't know, guys. Something. But it says that this set contains Mr. Miyagi's special chopsticks, his karate school pin, the bandana, I don't know how to say the name properly, Hachimaki, and his personal note and his diploma, the diploma for Daniel-san, and the registration form for the All Valley Championship. Now, how the heck do we open this? I don't want to rip this box. Okay, let's be careful with this, Sam. Do not rip it! I should have some other unboxings coming for you guys. Like, even though I'm going to be starting my Halloween series, you know, it's me, so expect some unboxings to pop up in between there. Just because I'm starting my series doesn't mean that, you know, I'm not gonna do anything else. So here's this beautiful piece of art. Oh my god. Oh my god. Learn how to catch a fly with chopsticks. Why did I just do a British accent? Don't mind me, don't mind me. And my neighbors keep arguing out there, so if you hear that, that is all them. And then learn how to sand the floor. Paint the fence, wax on, wax off. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh, I have to be gentle with this. It's white. I have makeup on, so I can't put this on or foundation's gonna get all over this bandana and that just won't be good. Oh man, Daniel's son's bandana. I've always wanted this. Oh my god, my heart, my heart, my heart. How do you tie this? Is it gonna fit around my head? Is the question. Well, yes, it will if I do it properly. But Sarah, my younger sister, she wears bandanas. She'll know how to tie this. I will make her do this for me because I will mess it up. I know I will. There's instructions on how to fold it though. I mean, I think I'll give it a go, but I won't do it on camera because yeah. But oh my gosh. Oh man. The certificate that you completed. Samantha, can you talk? Completed your training. I'm going to sign my name right here on this certificate. I'm going to sign it because, you know, looky here. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. I love how they made it like old looking, like it looks vintage. And then the registration form. Man, I feel like Daniel LaRusso. I feel like him. Here's the registration form. Oh, this is so special to me. Like, do you guys have that movie or like those things that are just like so special to you? Like, all of my fandoms are so like, I'm so attached to them. And then like Karate Kid is just like a whole different, I don't know why, but like, I can't explain that to you. But you know, some things don't need to be explained. Like, it's just how it makes you feel. Like, you don't need an explanation for everything. But this movie is just very special to me. Like, I just love it so much. And I had no clue that this ever existed. And I don't know why they never advertised this. But like, why didn't they do that? Because I'm like in love with this movie. And I just love Ralph so much. I mean, The Outsiders, Karate Kid, and just wow. I'm really hot right now. Oh, Miyagi's notes. Oh man, do you guys like this movie? Do you even know what it is? Are you a fan? Let me know down below. And let me know your favorite lines too. Look at this. How cute is this? Oh my god. When Cobra Kai went to Netflix, I watched the first 2 episodes on YouTube, and then you had to pay for that like subscription thing, so I didn't do that. But then it came on Netflix. I stayed up the one night and I watched season 1. I stayed up till about 4:30 in the morning. I heard the birds chirping and I saw the sun coming up. Oh my god, Sam, you have a problem. And then I was like, yeah, I really need to get to bed. I was editing a video for you guys. I put it up and then I just binged Cobra Kai. Then the next day I had another video to edit, which I did, and then I stayed up till like about the same time binge watching season 2 of Cobra Kai, and my mind was blown, and I'm just like, Sam, you really have a problem, but you should really get to sleep. Like, what are you doing? But yeah, I did that, and I didn't regret it at all because Cobra Kai is amazing. Like, so I'm really hesitant on like remakes or spin-offs and stuff like that, but I didn't feel like I was watching anything modern. I literally felt like I was watching something from the 80s, and it was amazing. Like the music, the vibes, the feel, the outfits, like even some of the things that they said is just, I just love how they didn't let the original slip away. Like, I still felt connected to it, and I'm such a huge fan. And I mean, I don't know if anybody else felt that way, but I sure did. I just love Cobra Kai so much. It's amazing. Oh, his chopsticks. I don't even know how to. Oh, am I doing this properly? Wait, he shows you in this box. I don't know. Are we doing this properly, Sam? Oh, I don't think so. I'm going to pick up my registration form. I did that. Oh, no, it fell. Okay, I don't know if I'm doing that properly, but like, what? This is amazing. Like, let's see. Would you stop, please? Do not. Look. Do. Look at the karate sticks. The chopsticks, Sam. Oh, it smells like actual wood. Like, it smells like wood. Usually, like, when I get merch, it doesn't really smell like anything. This is such a weird unboxing. I'm so sorry, guys. Something's wrong with me. I mean, I just love this movie so much. And oh my god, this pin. I have a pin board, but like, I don't even want to put it on my board. I want to like wear it every day. Like, is that a problem? Like, look at this pin. Look at this pin. It is stunning. Oh, it says Reseda, Okinawa. In 1984, Miyagi-Do Karate School. Oh my god, guys. I just love this so much. I should have shown you the inside of the box as well. But here I am freaking out about everything. But yeah, this is what the inside looks like. Whoopsie, Sam. You should have done that at the beginning, but that's okay. Oh, this is the cutest box ever. Like, it feels so authentic. Like, I feel like I have a piece of the film with me. Oh man, I don't know what that was about, but guys, let me know down below. Did you guys see Cobra Kai? Are you a fan? Do you love all things 80s? Because I just love that time. I just love how things were in the oldies. The music, the vibes, the good times. I mean, every like era has its problems, obviously. I'm not dumb, you know, like I know that, but like there's something about that time period. I love 80s music. I love these movies. Like, everything was so different, and I mean, I don't know. I just have my own opinions about that, but I'm not gonna get on that subject. But I just love everything about this. I mean, like, good feels, and to just have movies around still that are like this, and like how Cobra Kai came around. And I do have my LaRusso Funko Pop, and I have I got a Karate Kid shirt at Hot Topic. I will be posting that on my Instagram. I'm just like all Karate Kid. Like, I just love it that much. And to just like have things that, you know, like, he's a little dusty because he's on my shelves, but like my LaRusso Funko Pop. I have Johnny too, but I mean, I love Danielson, so he's on my shelf. Oh, he just Karate Kid a minion. Well, that's not good. Oh gosh, my unboxings are always so strange. Yeah, but I mean, I just love it. I love that you can have merch from those like feel-good movies, because it's, you know, you have a part of it with you. But what did you guys think about this box? Are you interested in getting it? I will link it down below. I got it on eBay. The shipping was free, so I mean, this box is on other sites. I mean, I think I saw it on like Walmart.com. It was like fun.com and something else, but you had to pay shipping there, and on eBay you didn't have to pay shipping. So I will link it down below if you guys are interested. But let me know what you guys thought about this unboxing. Are you a fan of the Karate Kid? Do you plan on getting this box, or are you just not a fan of that? Let me know down below. I know that it's a surprise. I mean, some people DM me saying, I didn't expect you to like that, but I was like, but I do. But I mean, I don't know, people. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. Leave some comments down below once again. And guys, next up, my spooky series. Get ready, because I'm super excited for this year's Halloween series on my channel. And if you guys have any guesses on who I'm doing, also leave that down below. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.